Hello again. Welcome to another practice of mindfulness meditation. Let's start by finding a comfortable seat on the floor so you can anchor yourself to the floor. Today, that anchor will be your base. Once you notice your mind wanders, come back to this base. Take a few deep breaths and sit upright and relax your body. Gently stretch your arms up to the ceilings. Tilt your head left to right. Move your body from right and to left. Give yourself a nice stretch. And let's warm up those shoulders. Be mindful of each circle you make when you rotate your arms back. Notice which muscles are tight. Just notice how your body feels today. Let's switch directions, but don't lose your focus. Be mindful of each rotation. Be mindful of how the bones move while you rotate your arms. Don't change anything, just notice. And now relax your arms on your knees. Tighten your fist gently. And relax and open your palms and feel the space. Deep breath in through your nose. Feel the temperature. And sigh out through your mouth. Relax your breath. Relax your whole body. Ask yourself how you are today. Notice your moods and thoughts today. Just notice, be aware of it, and then let it go. And notice your body from head to toe. Notice where the tightness is and which parts are relaxed. Mindfulness is to know, but not to judge. Just being aware and noticing how you relate to it. If you notice yourself drifting away, that's okay. Just notice that wherever you are, let it go and come back to the anchor of your body. Being mindful is a power which we already have. It's a free source to happiness and well-being for those who train their attention to be here, right now. Let go of your judgments and let go of your breath and mind. Let's gently place your palms together, give it a gentle rub and place it in front of your eyes. Again, thank yourself for spending the time to notice yourself. And we'll see you next time.